What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today's Monday. Hopefully I can get this video guys for you guys today. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but today's video is going to be finally my long-awaited bathroom declutter organization video. What you guys are about to see here, it's raw. I did not edit this before. I did not try to clean it up or anything. I just wanted to give you as it is. I'm ashamed. I'm very ashamed of what my bathroom drawers and cabinets look like. So it's like putting it out there. It's kind of like tough, to be very, very honest. But we're gonna get in there and we're going to fix drawers and we're gonna fix the cabinets under with all my skincare products, hair products, and everything like that. So I'm going to show you befores and I'm going to show you afters, and I'm going to show you in between how I do it. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I just have to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Francessmichelle. Happy that you guys are here in this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do everything: beauty videos, planner related videos, home organization videos that are like lined up for you guys, coming at you pretty soon. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's walk into this bathroom, guys. Right, so here's my bathroom. I have the lights set up for you guys. I have it as is right now. Like, I didn't want to change anything. Let me just see if I can turn on. Yeah, I didn't want to change anything. This is pretty much what I use today. Normally, I'm gonna be very honest, this is thrown on the bottom. This is supposed to be in my boys' bathroom. I don't know what it's doing here. This I throw it in the drawer. This I throw it on there, but I used it today to get ready, so that's why it's like on top of here. But I want to show you what's on top. I have double sinks, and I have 3 drawers, 1, 2, 3, and 2 cabinets. So we are going to tackle my cabinet today and these drawers. Not my husband's, because my husband is pretty much very organized. Not very organized, but it's just like cleaning products. So these are my cleaning products for everything. So let me show you what is inside the drawers, guys. Oh my god, look at this drawer, guys. There's a little bit of everything, and I bought like a bag of cotton balls, and they all opened in here, and they're all open and thrown in here, guys. Like, look at this mess. Like, there's even like, I'm telling you guys. And the bad thing about these drawers for me is that they're very, very deep, so you can stuff so many things in here. All right, second drawer. This was supposed to be all hair related, but we have some skincare. We got band-aids. We have pills. We got some latex glove. We even have a cup in here. I'm telling you guys, this is as raw as it's gonna get. Now the third drawer is supposed to be medicine, so it's kind of like there, but it still needs like TLC, because I'm no longer pregnant, so I do not need all these prenatal vitamins. All right, so that's what was before. And now here we go. This is gonna be the main thing. I have so much products in here, guys, that I need to throw away. Yeah, I do have oatmeal and maizena. It was because when I was pregnant, I got this horrible rash on my skin, and they told me home remedies will work, so oatmeal and maizena will be like the best thing to help the itching. So that's why it's in here, because I use it for my body. I did not want to put it in the pantry, but we are getting rid of that. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get this show on the road.
Okay, so here I'm going to put some music because this is a lot of work that it needs to be tackled. So I'm going to be removing everything that is on the cabinet. So like I said, everything needs to be removed, everything needs to be cleaned out before you can start putting things where they go. So I'm just removing everything, and I'm going to be tossing out anything that's expired, anything that's empty, anything that's old, anything that's used, so like that I know what I have, what I can keep. So here it is, clean. This is what the cabinet looks like. Now moving on to the drawers, I'm doing the exact same thing, taking out everything from this drawer, anything that's trash, tossing out, anything that's worth keeping or whatever I am keeping. So this is the number one rule: just clean out everything and take out everything and throw away. Throw away. If it doesn't spark joy, we toss. If it makes you happy, we keep. Okay, so here I'm going to be placing the containers that I'm going to be using. So I'm first tackling the hair product container. This one actually has a lot, to be honest. I use a lot of hair products. My hair is very dry, damaged, and I have to use a lot of products on my hair. So this one kind of has a lot, to be honest. Yes, everything I use on a sun basis, so I don't like to get rid of anything that's not for my hair or hair type. So I'm just putting everything that has to do with hair related, honestly, from dry shampoos to hairsprays to mousses to hair oils and all that. And then here I am going to be putting the hair tools that I use the most, and I like to take a scrunchie and tie the cables of them so it doesn't have like cables everywhere. So I'm putting my straightener, my curling iron, and as well as my brush, and I'm going to be labeling them as I find the stickers. And in the sticker books, I was actually in luck and I found hair products. So I'm going to be putting this clear label on the box, on the container. So these boxes, guys, these little containers, I found them at the container store, and they're awesome because they have like little dividers, and it's perfect for these type of lotions and containers because they keep them like straight. Sometimes you put these things on like containers and they tend to fall off because they're just pretty much dancing all over the place. But these, as you can see, you can remove the little dividers and just make sure that everything you put in there fits. And I love it because it fits perfectly and it doesn't let anything that I'm putting there fall. So this is what it looks like clean, guys. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be placing everything inside of it. So I'm just going to be putting, I actually, from everything you saw in the cabinet, I was actually able to manage to do I think it was two of these little clear containers that have dividers inside, and then the hair products. So you guys will see the huge difference that it is once I apply everything. So here I like to keep pretty much my tanning lotions and my lotions and my body wash. I'm sorry, my body spray. That's what I kept on this little container. And then the other container is mostly for my like skincare that I don't use on an everyday basis though. So I'm going to be putting the hair product because it's the biggest one, and then I'm going to put the other container which it has like I said, my skincare products, not the ones that I use on an everyday basis, but like my mask that I like to mask at least once a week. And that's it, guys. That is pretty much what I like to put on my bottom cabinet, and I'm fixing and making sure that everything is right where it's supposed to be. Okay, so now we're moving on to the drawers. I'm going to start from the bottom drawer up, and here I'm putting the medicine. This is my medicine cabinet. Pretty much I don't have a cabinet. Nowadays the apartment and the houses do not come with a medicine cabinet, so I had to use a drawer of mine. So here I'm using putting everything that has to do with medicine, blood pressure cuff, blood sugar, anything. Yes, there's a lot of prescribed medicines, but those are like other medicines that I can use, like maybe Tylenol and stuff like that. So now I'm moving on to the other two drawers, and this is where I have mostly my stuff. And here you can see that I'm using those clear containers with those dividers that are bomb.com. So I'm going to be using one of them for my everyday skincare products. That one is going to go on my top drawer. So I like to arrange things as how I'm going to be using it. So the cleansers, the micellar water, anything, and then move on to toner. Then I move on to my moisturizer. That's how I'm going to put everything in here. So then I'm going to start just kind of putting it into the drawer and pretty much organizing it. So in this drawer organizer, the big one, the white one, I'm actually going to be putting just my deodorant, my toothpaste, and my toothbrushes. As you can see, these are the things that we go for and we reach out on a daily basis. And then I'm just going to put a little basket in the back that later in the video you're going to see that I switched from the razors to my husband's jewelry. So moving on to the second drawer, guys, I'm going to make it more like hair products or anything hair related, especially made for my husband. So I'm just putting drawer dividers and stuff like that, which are like a bomb when it comes to these things. So here I'm just putting my husband's like razors and anything that he uses for like grooming. That's pretty much what I'm going to be putting in this containers.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Alright guys, and there you have it. This is what my bathroom looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and let you enjoy the hard work that I did. It took me so long, but I am so happy with the results.
Just watch me break.